What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I know what you're thinking before we even get started.
Zach, where you been, bro? Where's the Goode Bike channel been, bro? I haven't been posting, bro.
We have been making videos. I made a video like 3 weeks ago. We went to a brand new track. Everything was going good, but I got this footage.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Now, for some of you, that may be okay. You just don't care if you just see a front fender in dirt, but to me, that was no good, so we didn't post it. So we went to a brand new track, Daniel Boone. We're gonna go back soon, but footage wasn't so good, so we couldn't post that. But today we're back, and we got something special for y'all. We got another bike. And no, it's not our bike. No, we didn't buy it. We're selling it for a buddy of ours, and we just wanted to show you guys. So let's take a look and give her a rip. So what type of bike is it? What's it doing here? What year? Etc, etc, etc. Details, man, details.
This is an 05. Despite what the vendor says, the fender is wrong, or the sticker came off. It is not an L, it is an LE. The LEs have electric start and kick start, along with a remote shock reservoir and an adjustable rear shock. The deluxe is the deluxe. It's also got a key ignition. Only TTR 125 that has it for 05.
Now the real question is, does this remind you of anything else?
We had a CRF 100 that was an 09 model that was a lot more beat up than this, but just as reliable.
It's warm though, boys, it's warm.
All we did was change the brake fluid. I'm going to put grips on it, a clutch lever, a battery that's been sitting for 2 years. We went through the carb, cleaned the carb out. The gas was like green. It's not supposed to be green, and it's not a two-stroke. But started in 2 kicks after all that, so read the label, fellas. Woo.
You got this, boys. All right, let's go, baby. Oh!
It got traction!
Is she a ripper, boys?
For a little bike, it's pretty good. See how thorny this is. I think I gave you the best puddle splash you could possibly have.
Oh, really? That one? Yeah, coming back. That was awesome, bro. You just
Going through the puddle.
Yes, dude.
Dude, I feel like a pro motocrosser on this thing. Probably because it's not a real bike.
Hey, leave in the comments below, should we get like an 85?
Yeah.
Both of us split an 85, fix it up, and just rip it around here on the farm. What do you think? Leave it down below in the comments.
Give us $1,500 so we can buy this thing. Hold on. Just to show you how easy this thing starts.
Alright boys, short little video today, but we feel bad for not posting. Like I said before, the Daniel Boone thing didn't work out, but we're going back soon, alright? We're not lazy. We just been busy with school and work.
Excuses, Zach, excuses.
Shut up, alright? We're trying our best. Catch y'all later. See ya.